All is well mga katravel. If you're in search of elegant vibes and a luxurious dining experience, look no farther. Join us at Naima's Cafe and Bistro, where affordability meets exquisite taste. Come and indulge the delicious cuisine, where simplicity meets innovation. Experience the art of minimalistic dining pews with bold flavors only at Naima's Cafe and Bistro. Naima's Cafe and Bistro, accessible to Metro Station, Healthcare City. 2 to 3 minutes walk, building number 25, Dubai. Naima's Cafe and Bistro, open on Monday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Friday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. If you're in Dubai, you have to check out Naima's Cafe and Bistro. Let's embark on another food adventure together, mga katravel. Upon entering, you will be greeted by a stunning Instagram-worthy ambience that perfectly blends elegance with a luxurious dining experience. This setting would not only be delightful escape but also an opportunity to enjoy exquisite cuisine in a beautifully curated environment. We ordered their special cuisine to fully experience the delicious flavor of their offer. Now featuring their Angus burger. The meat was exceptionally delicious, truly loaded with flavor. And their laksa. The taste was absolutely amazing, exceeded my expectation. The combination of flavor was perfectly balanced and the freshness of the seafood really stood out. The karaage chicken. The presentation was exceptional and the taste was superb. Paired perfectly with their iced coffee matcha and iced coffee nata de coco. The food was not only delicious but also truly remarkable in its presentation and flavor. It was evident that great care and creativity went into each dish. A wonderful dining option that offers a variety of international and Asian cuisines, all served in luxurious atmospheres at an affordable price. You can explore their fully menu by visiting their social media account, where you will find a diverse selection of dishes that are sure to delight your palate. We thoroughly enjoyed the Angus burger, which was cooked to perfection. The seafood laksa was a delightful surprise, bursting with flavor, and the karaage chicken was incredibly tender and satisfying. Overall, it was a fantastic meal. We appreciate the effort of Chef Dabu and his team put into creating such a delicious dishes. Thank you for a wonderful dining experience. They fared perfectly with iced coffee matcha and iced coffee nata de coco. The flavor were simply outstanding and truly enhanced the overall enjoyment. Thank you for the dedication to creating such an exceptional products. Our conversation with Chef Dabu, the owner, have always been enjoyable and insightful. His genuine hospitality and commitment to providing exceptional customer service truly stand out. We highly recommend Naima's Cafe and Bistro to anyone seeking a remarkable dining experience. Thank you for maintaining such a high standard. It makes a significant difference. Naima's Cafe and Bistro, owned by the talented Chef Dabu, Renowned for his delicious and unique cuisine. Located in Dubai Healthcare City. Building number 25. Naimas offers an exceptional dining experience along with outstanding service. I highly recommend visiting this gem to truly appreciate the culinary masterpiece that Chef Dabu creates. If you're looking for a blend of luxury dining and remarkable flavors, Naima's Cafe Bistro is the perfect destination.